you guys, not me huffing and puffing. Okay, you guys, so I didn't find anything that I needed in Home Goods, but I have great news. Gosh, you guys, here they are. So excited. Yes, I got two. This one's like the coffee blended one, and then this one's like my fave. Okay, you guys, so I actually really just lucked out at Ding Tea, and I have enough tea to literally last me until like well into the rest of the week, because I ordered 2 small teas, but then they messed up on the order, so he replaced one of the teas for me with a large, and now I'm drinking the Miss Make just to try it. It was like the coffee slush with I wanted coffee boba in it, but they accidentally put coconut, and it's actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna try to hurry home to freeze the other ones, and then I'm gonna go pick up my salad from Tender Greens on the way. So let me stop running my mouth. Wow, this actually tastes pretty good. Normally when people mismake my stuff, I don't go back in and tell them like, oh, this is messed up or whatever. I just like drink it or eat it or whatever, especially if it's not something like crazy. Like if I asked for like chocolate and you give me vanilla, okay, fine, but like I do this thing where like I politely but still like let people know like, hey, like I didn't ask for this, like, and this is what I want, or just being more specific about what I want. It's not even about like correcting people. I think it's just like being more assertive about like getting what I want out of life, you know? Oh, let's slide to Tender Green so we can go home and do the rest of these videos. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's only Wednesday. Even go to oh my goodness, I didn't even go to Tender Greens to get my salad because I don't know, I just decided that I'm perfectly capable of making a good salad at home, especially after I like came up at Ding Tea. I'm like, you know, let me just take my W's for the day and go home. So I'm just grabbing my, whatchamacallit, this little guy, so that I can record some videos tonight. Ooh, it is cold in the city. But yeah, I just thought I'd share an update with you guys. All right, you guys, good morning. I am finally back at the house. I went to boxing class, right? And then like this kid who's in my boxing class was like, oh, like, do you want to grab like a protein smoothie? And I was like, oh yeah, sure. It was nothing crazy, you guys. It was literally like just some very friendly, nice vibes. So we went and got a smoothie, but you guys, why am I so like, the smoothie was good and it was healthy. It has some protein. We took a ginger shot. But on my way home, I went and got a coffee bean. Okay, oh my god, I forgot. I haven't even showed you guys my nails. Okay, so I went to get my nails done yesterday. Far behind, but let me show you guys my nails. Are you ready? Oh, they're so pretty. Okay. Oh, yeah. Today, you guys, is really just a day of like getting my shit together. I need to do like 12,000 loads of laundry. I have an audition for like a hosting job that's coming up in the next few weeks. I probably should apply for some more roles. And then I need to, did I say laundry? For sure need to do laundry. For sure need to take my car. And I'm finally gonna get around to unboxing my Pat McGrath makeup. So I'll link that video. Probably won't link it in this video, to be honest, because it's not even recorded yet, so it needs to be recorded, edited, and uploaded. So maybe I'll try to link the video on the end screen or something so you guys could watch it. I'm so excited. I've had that makeup, I don't even know when I bought it. I want to say like 3 weeks ago. When I bought it, I was like in such a like, sometimes I'm beginning my moods, you know? So I was in this little like pissy mood, and I was like, all my makeup sucks. I need new makeup to start using it tomorrow. Haven't even opened it. Side note, how come when you get Chinese chicken salad, they put these big ass chunks of chicken? Like the least they could do is slice it for you. Jesus. Just make sure it's all nice and shaken up. And voila, lunch. Packing my little backpack for my bike ride. I like to carry, obviously, my camera and the camera stand. And then, ooh, I got this new bike lock. Let me show you guys. I wanted to make a video unboxing it, but I need to use it right now. So where did I put it? Over here. So I'll just do a quick unboxing with you guys here. I got this U-lock off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below for you guys. So if you guys want to hear the story about how my bike got stolen, leave me a comment below and let me know, and I'll tell you guys the full story. But long story short, I wanted to get a really good bike lock because my bike has been stolen here in Venice in the past. So this one is super heavy duty. It comes with this like, this is a good lock thing, but I would still recommend having like this hefty guy right here, just because like this can be cut through with like, you know, some big scissors, or someone who's like really determined and wants to like yank it. I don't know, people be having like superhuman strength. So this bad boy right here, this is very sturdy. It's not going nowhere. So I'm about to try to, I can't get the freaking keys off of here. Let me see. I need to really hurry because it's already 3 o'clock. And I low-key want to see the sunset, so. Okay, whew. So I literally just had to like pop this little piece off. And now I have my lock. And it looks like the key goes right here. Turn it, and boom. Okay, that's easy. Bet. This is so much more like, yeah. So I'm taking my phone charger, my lock, the keys to my lock. I'm only gonna take one. Okay, it's right there. And then I obviously want to take my wallet because I want to go get a latte. And then I keep my keys in my backpack just so like I don't drop them or anything like that. And then I have my pepper spray. I keep this in my pocket, and I keep my phone in my pocket. So yeah, I think we're all ready. Going on a run. So excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been seeing so many bees and wasps outside my house, and I'm like deathly afraid of them. Like literally so scared. So I'm gonna have to go get some of that spray at Target. I need to go to Target anyway, so now I'm like even more like, okay, let's go, because hell no. Like save the bees, but like away from me. Please, please, bees, stay away. Really cute coffee shop by my house. It's called Alana's. How adorable. I love the greenery. These are super cute shop. And you guys hear they're playing Kanye, so of course I love it here. Thank you, so beautiful. Let me show you guys this latte, so cute. So you guys, I was riding my bike around Abbott Kinney and I ran into like this really cute resale vintage like local swap meet thing. I'm like so happy to be here. I've been wanting some new stuff for my closet, so I'm gonna browse around and see what I see. Oh, beautiful. I just got home from biking around in Venice. I like to ride through Abbott Kinney Street and just kind of like, you know, see what the haps is out and about in the city. So now that I'm home, I'm gonna like chill for a sec. I got this like cute camo outfit, so I'm gonna try it on, and then I'm finally gonna do my makeup to finish the other video that I started today. And then you guys, I'm just gonna edit my video that's coming out tomorrow. Honestly, I wanted to go out. Maybe I will. It's only 6 o'clock, 6:13, but tonight is giving very much so in the house, editing, but we'll see. Maybe I'll pop outside. I did end up going out last night to my friends, like small party in downtown, but literally was there all night long. So I didn't wake up till like noon today. It's basically about to be 2 o'clock. So I, you know, cleaned up and took a shower and stuff. So now I'm about to go hit Runyon Canyon, get in a little workout, and then get something to eat. You guys, I'm starving. Oh, you guys, not me huffing and puffing. I'm out here at the beautiful Runyon Canyon saying hello to the tree. It is so windy up here today, but the air is just so nice and fresh. Hold on.